Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Discover innovative ways to create 100 stunning nail-free furniture pieces. Subscribe now for easy tutorials, eco-friendly ideas, and creative inspiration to transform your home sustainably. Join our community and start building beautiful furniture today. Here, we believe that creating beautiful, functional furniture doesn't require nails or complicated tools. Our focus is on sustainable, easy-to-make designs that anyone can craft at home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIY enthusiast, our tutorials and inspiration will guide you step by step to build 100 stunning nail-free furniture pieces. From elegant tables to charming chairs, each project emphasizes simplicity, style, and durability. Our goal is to empower you to transform your living space with minimal effort and maximum impact. Join our community. We specialize in showcasing how to create 100 unique furniture pieces without the need for nails. Our philosophy is rooted in simplicity and ingenuity, demonstrating that beautiful furniture can be assembled using clever joinery techniques, natural adhesives, or interlocking designs. We believe that sustainable furniture making not only benefits the environment but also adds a personal touch to your home. Our projects are designed to be accessible, affordable, and durable, perfect for anyone looking to customize their space without the hassle of traditional carpentry. Our mission is to inspire a movement towards eco-conscious living by promoting furniture construction that minimizes waste and avoids harmful materials like nails. We've curated a collection of 100 inventive, nail-free furniture projects that are perfect for transforming your home. Each design is carefully crafted to be easy to assemble, requiring minimal tools and expertise. From rustic to modern styles, our projects cater to all tastes and skill levels. Our tutorials emphasize the importance of craftsmanship, encouraging you to experiment and innovate with different materials such as reclaimed wood, without nails, bamboo, or complicated or even tools. Cardboard. Our curated collection of 100 nail-free furniture projects showcases innovative techniques that emphasize interlocking joints, natural adhesives, and clever design solutions. We aim to make furniture creation accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. Whether you're looking to craft a statement piece or a simple storage solution, our tutorials guide you through each step with clear instructions. We're passionate about redefining furniture making through eco-friendly, nail-free techniques. Our collection of 100 creative projects demonstrates that you don't need nails, screws, or heavy machinery to create beautiful, sturdy furniture. Instead, we focus on innovative joinery methods, interlocking designs, and natural adhesives to build furniture that's both stylish and sustainable. Our tutorials are designed to be easy to follow, making DIY furniture accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned craftsmen. We believe that furniture should be an expression of personality and creativity, and our projects reflect diverse styles, from sustainable and innovative furniture projects that require no nails. With a focus on creativity and environmental consciousness, our collection features 100 unique designs that anyone can build. We explore techniques such as dovetail joints, interlocking panels, and natural binding methods to craft furniture that's both durable and stylish. Our tutorials include detailed instructions, materials lists, and visual guides to ensure your success. Whether you want to make a cozy bench, our curated collection of 100 projects showcases innovative solutions for building sturdy, attractive furniture using clever joinery and natural materials. We prioritize eco-conscious practices, encouraging you to repurpose old wood, use biodegradable adhesives, and craft furniture that's both functional and beautiful. Our tutorials are designed for all skill levels, providing step-by-step guidance to help you achieve professional look. Our mission is to inspire sustainable living by showcasing how to craft beautiful furniture without nails, screws, or heavy tools. We focus on techniques such as interlocking joints, natural glues, and clever structural designs that ensure stability and style. Our collection of 100 nail-free furniture projects demonstrates that style, strength, and sustainability go hand in hand. Using interlocking designs, natural adhesives, and creative craftsmanship, you can build furniture that's both beautiful and environmentally responsible. Our tutorials are designed to be accessible and easy to follow, guiding you through each step of the process. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in creating eco-friendly, nail-free furniture. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring tutorials, tips, and ideas. Stay connected with us and continue your creative journey towards sustainable home decor.